My name is Jamie Spinello, and I was commissioned by the City of Austin Art and Public Places Tempo program to create a public art piece. So my sculpture is an abstract rendition of a red yucca seed pod. I was inspired by the way that the seeds are compartmentalized in this triad form. 2, 3. For the last 10 years, I've been mostly working as a jewelry designer and making small sculptures. So this opportunity to create a large public art piece has been really amazing because I've been able to see my work on a larger scale. This is an example of what a lot of my smaller pieces look like, which they're all made out of paper. I construct them first and then work out the geometries. And then once I've made between 10 and 20 prototypes, I'll scale it up into a metal sculpture. I think public art has the ability to bring art into the public realm to people that normally wouldn't come across art in their daily lives. And I'm hoping that my piece will bring a little bit of beauty into the local neighborhood.